Yo, 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 what's up, Diamond family? Welcome back to VVS Sound. As you guys know, this is the Cookup. We're in with Jerry Legend. Got too excited. Playing it wrong too. I have a place. You know, let y'all in. And we're about to get to the songwriting side of things. Let's get into it. I'm just setting the tune right now. The tune is going to be, I remember I just did the beat, so I know it's F minor.
If I say we locked in, we locked in. First off, let me start by saying that I feel away. Alright, punch me in right there. First off, let me start by saying that I feel away. No, we having differences, my loyalty is still the same. You can punch me after that. Let me start by saying that I feel away. No, we having differences, my loyalty is still the same. I see that. One time. I see that the night. Differences, my loyalty is still the same. I see that the 1942 been helping heal the pain.
I'm actually gonna turn this mic up a little bit.
Saying that I feel away. No, we having differences, my loyalty is still the same. I see that the 1942 been helping heal the pain. Wish I like the sun. Wish I like the sun. We gotta feel the rain.
Let's run it again.
Alright. Just that. I see that the 1942 been helping heal the pain. But wish I like the sun, even when we gotta feel the rain.
Let's keep going.
1942 been helping heal the pain. But wish I like the sun, even when we gotta feel the rain. Try something different.
Bet that. Let's get it. So as you can hear, he's just kind of
wish I like the sun, even when we gotta feel the rain. Alright, that's on. Wish I like the sun, even when we gotta feel the rain. That's on do or die. If it's you and I feel the rain, and that's on my dog. Together, alright. We used to break the law, feel the rain, and that's on my dog. One more time. We used to break the law. When we gotta feel the rain, and that's on my dog. We used to break the law. It's us, yes. It's we used to break the law. Every day it's up. Feel the rain, and that's on my dog. We used to break the law. Now every day. And nowadays you up. Alright, one more time, my bad. Feel the rain, and that's on my dog. We used to break the law. And nowadays you up. Break the law, not every day. One time. Not every day you up. Yeah. Feel the rain, and that's on my dog. We used to break the law, and nowadays you up. Alright, let me punch it after that. Don't ever get it twisted, you know. Get it twisted, you know I can. Don't ever get it twisted, you know I can call you bluff. Dog, we used to break the law, and nowadays you up. Don't ever get it twisted, you know I can call you bluff. law, and nowadays you up. Don't ever get it twisted, you know I can call you bluff. If it's up, then it's stuck. Call you bluff. If it's up, then it's stuck. I can call you bluff. If it's up, then it's stuck. I can call you bluff. If it's up, then it's stuck. There's no changing this. You know I can call you bluff. If it's up, then it's stuck. You know there's no changing us. Stay in touch, cuz. Never get it twisted, you know I stuck. You know it's no changing us. Stay in touch, cuz. Cause you my friend, you my dog, you my homie. One more time.
Yes, sir. That's the bar, though.
You my dog, you my homie. You know it's no changing us. Stay in touch, cuz. Cause you my friend, you my dog, you my homie. I don't know me. There's no changing us. Stay in touch, cuz. Cause you my friend, you my dog, you my homie. Dog, you my homie. If you don't know about nothing else, my dog, you know me.
I like that one. Give me one more. I'm gonna say that one. Keep it on the tuck.
If you don't know
sometimes you gotta let the artist know, like, I think you can do better. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes you gotta tell them, like, hey, let's get one more. We'll keep that one in case we can't beat it. You know.
Touch, cuz you my friend, you my dog, you my homie. If you don't know about nothing else, my dog, you know me.
It's right there though. It's right there. Yeah, cause you got right. You know what I'm saying? You gotta hit it like that with the beat. It's stupid.
Okay. Touch, cuz you my friend, you my dog, you my homie. If you don't know about nothing else, my dog, you know me.
That is the one, brother.
Cause you my friend, you my dog, you my homie. If you don't know about nothing else, my dog, you know me.
Hey, I'm on, yeah, 7. You on live though.
Yeah, what up, Big Bass Mellow, tune in.
Yes, sir.
No early, I can't get in no early in the 7?
Nah, not right now.
You know me, I bet 7.
Yeah.
Homie, if you don't know about nothing else, my dog, you know me. Things may change cause you can.
Melody's stupid.
Okay, and you still can.
Melody's stupid right there.
Homie, if you don't know about nothing else, my dog, you know me. Things may change, that's okay, cause you still gang.
Let's get one more of those.
That's my dog, you know me. Things may change, that's okay, cause you still gang. Don't think of, I only gotta do all that.
You gotta do all that?
Gotta do all that.
Let's get it.
That's my dog, you know me. Things may change, that's okay, cause you still gang. I think about it, it's whatever, I don't feel pain.
I think you gotta resolve it.
Then I'll do another one. That's the hook, by the way.
Okay, bet.
Know me, things may change, that's okay, cause you still gang. I think about it, it's whatever, I don't feel pain.
It's starting right here.
Yeah, I'll punch you right at.
Cause you my friend, you my dog, you my homie. If you don't know about nothing else, my dog, you know me. Things may change, that's okay, cause you still gang. I think about it, it's whatever, I don't feel pain. Yeah. Think about it, it's whatever, I don't feel pain, I don't feel pain. Think about it, it's whatever, I don't feel pain.
You wanna run an ad-lib?
Yeah.
Let's run an ad-lib.
If I say we locked in, we locked in. First off, let me start by saying that I feel away. Know we having differences, my loyalty is still the same. I see that the 1942 been helping heal the pain. I wish I like the sun, even when we gotta feel the rain. And that's on my dog, we used to break the law, and nowadays you up. Don't ever get it twisted, you know I can call you bluff. If it's up, then it's stuck, you know it's no changing us. Stay in touch, cuz